Hey guys, what is up? We're here today with another episode of Kicks and Fits, and today we're looking at the Air Jordan 10 Orlando. So these shoes first appeared in the City Pack in 1994 to 1995. Orlando was one of the 5 major cities picked to be in the pack. So this shoe, being a representative of the Orlando Magics, we have all the colors of the team right on here. You have the white upper leather with the hits of blue on the sock liner, as well as on the sole right here, as well as the black upper with the tongue straight with that oh so nice leather that Jordan brand brings. So today I'm just looking to style these bad boys with, some denim, elongated pieces. It is cold outside, so I definitely want to layer up. Boom, easy enough. Straight up, just do it tee from Nike. Simple as that, sun black, just to put under the fit, start the layering up. Okay, so now we got the shirt. We're gonna add a little top and then we'll go to the bottom pieces. So, hold up, wait a second. These jackets right here are kind of fire, I'm not even gonna lie. Bruh. I don't know if this matches or not, guys. I don't know. It doesn't really match. I like to color coordinate. Red and blue. I don't know, man. I don't know. You know what? This jacket's gonna be a hit too, man. This is some freaking Freddy Krueger type of fire here. The red and the black, I think will definitely contrast with the blue. I mean, people have done it in the NBA, so if I do it, y'all ain't gonna be mad, right? Head right over here to my favorite table as far as bottoms go. So we got all the denim here. Definitely want to go with something darker. We got 2 black denim here, which I like a lot. Let me just look at this real fast. A little more washed out. All right, easy enough. We're just gonna go with black denim, something simple. It's gonna flow with the fit perfectly. All right, guys, so I got everything. So I'm gonna head to the back. I'm gonna throw the fit on, and you guys are gonna see the fire, the flames that's about to walk out on body. Okay, guys, I am back. I am warm, I am cozy. This Nike jacket, fire flames. Love the simple black tee with the ripped jeans, black sun, simple, And down below, got the sneakers, all about contrast, okay? You got the red, you got the blue, polar opposites, but they'll work if you can finesse it. So guys, I need you to let me know what you think. Go down below in the comments, say what you gotta say. And if you guys like anything I'm wearing right now, just check out the links below. And I'll see you guys on my next episode of Kicks and Fits.